Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Garmin watches that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is a rugged solar-powered GPS smartwatch engineered for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers who demand durability and reliability. With a robust 50mm polymer case built to US military standard 810, the watch is designed to withstand harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures, shock, and water exposure. Its large solar-charged power glass lens significantly extends battery life, generating 50% more energy than its predecessor, the Instinct 2 Solar. Remarkably, the watch can achieve infinite battery life in smartwatch mode when exposed to 3 hours of direct sunlight per day, making it an ideal companion for extended outdoor activities. In addition to its rugged construction, the smartwatch is equipped with a range of features designed to enhance outdoor adventures. A built-in LED flashlight with variable intensities and strobe modes ensures visibility and convenience during nighttime activities. The watch also supports multi-band GNSS technology for accurate positioning, even in challenging environments. Health and wellness tracking is another key focus, with 24/7 monitoring of heart rate, sleep, respiration, and pulse ox, providing insights into overall health and recovery. Furthermore, the watch offers a suite of sports apps and training features, along with smart connectivity options like Bluetooth, Garmin Pay, and Connect IQ app integration, making it a comprehensive tool for both adventure and everyday life. The Garmin Forerunner 165 is a versatile and well-rounded running smartwatch, catering to both beginners and seasoned athletes. Positioned between the basic Forerunner 55 and the more advanced Forerunner 255 and 265, it offers a balanced mix of essential features and affordability. The watch is equipped with a bright 1.2-inch AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels, which ensures clear visibility in various lighting conditions. Its impressive battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode makes it ideal for extended training sessions and daily use without the hassle of frequent recharging. With 25 sports modes, including running and cycling, the smartwatch is designed to support a wide range of athletic activities. It also features personalized adaptive training plans tailored to your fitness level and running goals, making it a valuable tool for improving performance. The built-in GPS allows accurate tracking of time, distance, pace, and speed, while the comprehensive health metrics, such as heart rate variability, stress levels, and body battery status, provide insights into your overall well-being. In addition to its fitness capabilities, the smartwatch offers smart features like notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB. This makes it more than just a fitness tracker, but a reliable companion for both athletic and everyday use. Overall, the Garmin Forerunner 165 is an excellent choice for runners seeking a feature-rich smartwatch that delivers solid performance without the premium price tag of higher-end models. The Garmin Vivomove Sport is a hybrid smartwatch that seamlessly blends the elegance of a traditional analog watch with modern smart features and fitness tracking capabilities. At first glance, it looks like a classic watch, but it conceals a hidden touchscreen display that becomes visible when the watch hands move aside. The watch is lightweight, comfortable for all-day wear, and available in various stylish colors, making it a fashionable accessory for any outfit. The silicone straps are interchangeable, allowing for easy customization to match your style. On the fitness and health front, the Vivomove Sport is packed with features. It tracks steps, distance, and calories burned, and offers specialized tracking for activities like walking, running, and yoga. The watch includes heart rate monitoring, a pulse oximeter to track oxygen levels, and advanced sleep tracking that even detects REM sleep. Additionally, it monitors stress levels and provides a body battery energy score, helping users understand their overall wellness. As a smartwatch, the Vivomove Sport displays notifications from your smartphone, allows for quick predefined replies to messages, and includes a Do Not Disturb mode. The watch faces are customizable, and the battery life can last up to 5 days. though higher brightness settings may reduce it. With a water resistance of up to 50 meters and quick-release bands, the Vivomove Sport is as versatile as it is stylish. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those seeking a smartwatch that prioritizes both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The Garmin Fenix 7X Pro Sapphire Solar is a premium multi-sport GPS smartwatch tailored for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and durability. It features a 1.4-inch display with a resolution of 480 by 272 pixels, protected by a scratch-resistant Power Sapphire Solar charging lens. This, combined with a robust 51mm fiber-reinforced polymer case and titanium bezel, ensures that the watch is both stylish and rugged. Designed for extended wear, it offers impressive battery life, with up to 37 days in smartwatch mode when using solar charging, and up to 122 hours in GPS mode under optimal sunlight conditions. The smartwatch excels in health and fitness tracking, providing 24/7 monitoring that includes heart rate variability, pulse ox for altitude acclimation, and advanced sleep tracking. Its training metrics, such as the Hill score and endurance score, deliver valuable insights into running strength and overall fitness. Navigation is a strong suit of the Fenix 7X Pro, thanks to its multi-band GPS with SatIQ technology for superior accuracy and battery optimization. The smartwatch comes preloaded with Topo Active Maps and ski resort maps, with the option to download additional regions. For enhanced navigation, it includes an altimeter, barometer, 3-axis electronic compass, and options for round-trip routing and turn-by-turn directions. Additional features like a built-in LED flashlight with variable intensities, robust connectivity options including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB, and military-grade durability make the Garmin Fenix 7X Pro Sapphire Solar a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartwatch for both daily wear and challenging outdoor adventures. Its combination of advanced health metrics, extensive battery life, and rugged design ensures it meets the demands of even the most dedicated athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. The Garmin Approach S42 is a versatile GPS golf smartwatch designed to enhance the experience of golfers by offering a range of advanced features. It boasts a 1.2-inch color touchscreen that is both clear and user-friendly, making navigation on the course effortless. Preloaded with over 42,000 course view maps, the S42 provides detailed information on a wide variety of golf courses globally, helping golfers strategize their shots. One of its standout features is the Green View, which allows users to manually adjust the pin location on the green, giving precise distances to the front, middle, and back, as well as to hazards and doglegs. The smartwatch includes the Auto Shot Round Analyzer, which automatically tracks and records shot distances, enabling golfers to analyze their performance more effectively. This feature can be enhanced by pairing the watch with optional Approach CT10 club tracking sensors. In addition to its golfing capabilities, the S42 functions as a smartwatch, offering smart notifications for calls, texts, and apps when paired with a compatible smartphone. It also tracks daily activities such as steps, sleep, and calories burned, and includes built-in sports profiles for various exercises. With a battery life of up to 15 hours in GPS mode and up to 10 days in smartwatch mode, the Garmin Approach S42 is well suited for both on-course and off-course use. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during long rounds, and Bluetooth connectivity allows easy pairing with smartphones. The watch is also compatible with the Garmin Golf app, enabling live scoring, automatic scorecard uploads, and detailed statistics analysis, making it a comprehensive tool for golfers looking to improve their game while enjoying everyday smartwatch features.